Wake up with Matt in the morning.
Hey guys, Matt here with Matt in the morning, and guess what we're doing today? Jalapeno poppers, bacon wrapped on the smoker. Gonna be delicious. So, obviously, to start out, you're gonna need jalapenos. Got them right here, already cored, deseeded, all that good stuff. Bacon, use whatever kind of bacon you want. I just have some Costco brand. I buy a lot of bacon, so I just get it there. You can use whatever you want, of course. Now the mix, that is something that you can just do anything and everything. The options are endless. Down in the description, I'm gonna have the ingredient list and how to, and it's just for the amount I'm doing here. What do I got? 8 of them? 3, 6, 7, 8. The ingredient list, the amount you'll need of cream cheese and anything else you're putting in is really gonna depend on how many you're doing. So anyways, just keep that in mind when you're mixing this up. So what we got here, I'll just show you real quick. There's my blend. You might think, what the heck is that? That doesn't look like cream cheese. Kind of looks like a lunch, like a meat or something. And that's because it is. Here's what I did, guys. I had about 4 ounces of cream cheese. I had about a half a can of some like minced up black olives. I had that mixed together. And then last night I made some Nashville hot tater skins. Didn't have chicken, so I used beef. So it was leftover ground beef that was in some Nashville hot seasoning. I just mixed that in with the cream cheese and olives, and that's what I got. So why not? Listen, down in the description, I'm not gonna have that beef. I'm just gonna put protein of your choice, optional, you know, shredded chicken, beef, whatever you want, or just stick with cream cheese. There's 25.2 million ways to make jalapeno poppers. So this is just one of many. Anyways, you can see down below I got those ready. Here's one here. We're gonna go ahead and stuff it. I put on gloves just because it makes cleanup easier. I'm just gonna roll it. Actually, I'll show you down here. I'm just gonna spicy. Use those like little red and yellow sweet peppers. You can get them in the bag. You can use those as well. You know, any kind of pepper you want, really. I have another video where we actually wrap it in, what am I trying to say? We actually wrap it in sausage and then bacon goes on that. Armadillo eggs. I'll have a link to that at the end of this video if you want to check that out. Those are good, armadillo eggs. But today I'm just doing, it's not a really good wrap on there, I'll be honest, but whatever. We're wrapped, ready to go. Listen, that's it. I mean, jalapeno popper. I'll show you what they look like at the end. You know, one thing I haven't done, I thought about like, man, right near the end with the jalapeno poppers, why don't you take your favorite barbecue sauce, brush it on all of them, just sitting in this little tray, brush them on, crank up the heat a little bit and let it roll. I might do that, I might not. We'll see, we'll just see what happens. Anyways, throwing them on the smoker, 250, maybe 225? 225, that's what we're going with, for about 2 hours. Yeah, that's it. I'm excited about this one. This is a great snack. And that's all I really have for right now. I'll bring you back when they're done. See you in a minute. All right, we're running this thing at about 235. Ooh, yeah. Check them out. Let's run it at another 15. All right, and welcome back. 2 hours, 235 degrees on the smoker. It's Adeline Bell in the background. As you can see down below on the GoPro cam, these things came out just right. Now I didn't add barbecue sauce to them the last 15 minutes like I mentioned I might. I wish I would have now, to be honest, but here we are. So anyways, yeah, got this thing cut in half. See there, the good stuff. This thing's good. By the way, I use a competition blend for my pellets. I do competition blend on almost anything, except cheesecakes. I like to do apple. Also, a big shout out to my neighbors. Don't know if they watch this fine program, but boom. from Kenna and her parents, Lisa and Charlie. Big thanks to you guys. Kenna actually watches little Adeline Bell from time to time, so a friend of the show. I don't know, just always wanted to say that. So anyways, thanks to you guys. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Jalapeno poppers stuffed and wrapped in bacon on the smoker. It's delicious. Comment, like, share, subscribe, watch some other episodes. Let me know if there's something else you want to see. Thanks. Have a good day.